of a green track under the lights. Looks like an edge-of-the-seat thriller.
We have the captains with us here from the two playing teams, along with the match referee. He goes for heads. And tails it is. The batting side has been decided. Looks like a really good surface today. The batsman will be tested with the new ball here. Let's hope they survive the initial attack. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack.
Come on! No. Come on!
Yeah, quite right. It was wide, and the umpire knows it, and he signalled it a wide. That's well left. Better safe than sorry.
Come on!
He bowls a loopy delivery. The little great catch. It's an easy catch in the deep with the best compliments from the batsman. That's some great bowling. Batsman is out for 0 runs. That's the first wicket down in this innings. He's gifted away his wicket. I wouldn't have forgiven myself if I'd played that type of shot. He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game.
Come on!
He slips in the flipper, skids back in, leaving the batsman in real trouble. Just a complete lack of control from the bowler here, resulting in a wide. Yes, he'll live to fight another day. A good decision to avoid that one. And he's gone for the doosra, but is it enough? Oh, slam! There's not a cricket pitch on the planet that could harness that one. What a smash! A 6 off the first ball. You can't ask for a better start than that. It's the doosra, but will the batsman fall for it?
No.
The pressure seems to be building here for the batting team. Take a look at the backspin on this. That's a real beauty of a flipper. Direct hit, and the batsman should be in trouble here.
Come on!
That's faster and higher bounce. A great top spinner. That's going to be an overthrow. The backup fielder should have been there. Will this medium pacer bolt past the batting line? We'll know soon. That's a slightly slower ball from him. Sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. 2 runs. That's sensible cricket.
Come on!
Brilliant swing on the delivery. He gets it to reverse with ease. Goes for a direct hit. Oh! Just missing.
Four.
Bang! That ball races away to the boundary. Well judged catch by the fielder. He has to stick to his basics and not give away his wicket here. Taken! Got him with an easy catch in the end. That's the second wicket in a row. He's the new man in. He should stick to the team plan and just anchor the innings down. Oh, misses it by a whisker this time. The batsman would have been in real trouble had it have been a direct hit. Oh, that was so close. He's missed out on a hat-trick. Excellent innings. Well, he's usually a well judged by the batsman at the crease. Good ball. No runs given off that one. That's a quick bit of legwork from these two. A good variation there, forcing the batsman to defend once again. They get nada. Batsman has failed to score any runs, and there goes the wicket. That was sloppy. He has gifted away his wicket. The batting side is sending in top order big guns now. Well, he could have been on the front line there, the umpire. He's fired him out. Batsman looks really unhappy with this decision. Yes, the batsman's going to have a look at this. He's decided to review.
Ball tracking, please. Verifying for a no ball. It's a fair delivery. Impact in line. Wickets hitting. You can stick with your decision. It will appear on screen now.
That's a fantastic line by the bowler. That's caught him right in the pads. He's gone. That's the second wicket in a row. He's the new man in. He should stick to the team plan and just anchor the innings down. Oh, that was so close. He's missed out on a hat-trick. He ends the over on a high. It's a wicket maiden. This is set up to be a nail-biting finish here. A cautious beginning for the batsman. Looks like they mean business. Well contained. A smart effort by the bowler. Out! Umpire puts his finger up and it's a huge celebration from the fielding unit. Yeah, looks like they're going to go up for the review. The batsman has decided to review this.
Ball tracking, please. Verifying for a no ball. It's a fair delivery. Pitching outside off. Impact in line. Wickets hitting. You can stick with your decision. It will appear on screen now.
Some really top-notch bowling. Nipped him in the pads right in front of the stumps. He's completely misread that ball. Unfortunately, he's gone for a duck. A crucial wicket at a crucial time. That was sloppy. He has gifted away his wicket. In comes the middle order. Hopefully the new batsman can stabilise things. He has to be lightning on this one if he's going to be safe. The batsman was miles behind the crease. The bowler nabs another great scalp as this battle comes to an end. A new man in, time for him to up the scoring rate. Poor timing, the batsman could be in real trouble here this time. That's a cracking way to get off the mark. Well, that's a stinker of timing. Got nothing on it. Gee, that's a good throw by the fielder. Gets it right back at the stumps.
One.
Great coordination between the pair. That's terrific running. It was a wild dash for glory. No glory here, says the umpire. He's gone. Boom! A wicket. The last Sebastian crumbles right at the end. A back and forth contest of wills that has left one side triumphant. What a performance. The man of the hour also wins the man of the match.